Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make center effects on Kinemaster. So if you use this application on your phone, Android, both Android or iPhone, you can use or make center effects. So all you have to do is open your video here or one of your projects and try to search asset store here, and this one, whirlpool. So this is a transition. This asset is optimized for the following aspect ratio. So this transition liquid, so you can download this asset here, like center effect changing. So this is like photo transition. So and another more, this is for example like centering your transition. So make two video here or make two asset or media and use this whirlpool. So here for example, so please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.